Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, and you can probably hear, we are shooting balloons. These balloons are left over from a party, and we are shooting them with a 22. And with me today, I have Life with me and ST Fishing, who are also shooting the balloons with me. And then after we shoot the balloons, we have 6 eggs that are bad from the incubation that we're going to shoot, and it's going to go me, ST Fishing, and then Life with me. We each get 2 eggs, but it's in a row, so we get a chance. So hope you guys enjoy, and enjoy the video.
Look at the line. The aftermath is crazy.
Now time for the eggs.
Well, it was here, now it's gone. Well, ST Fishing hit it good.
Hell yeah.
Time for number 3. We got it in 2 shots. Completely done. It's accurate. Okay, I'm back up. Another shot. Boom, that's the aftermath. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.